Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're driving on the Winston Jones Highway and we are in the parish of Manchester. Now the Winston Jones Highway runs from Williamsfield to Mandeville. This road is also sometimes referred to as the Mandeville bypass because you bypass in the town of Mandeville, you don't have to drive through Mandeville. And we're in Manchester heading we're driving from Williamsfield to Mandeville. And Mandeville is the capital of Manchester and it's also the largest town in Manchester. It's also one of the largest towns in Jamaica. Alright, so this is where Winston Jones Highway ends. You turn, okay, at this intersection now, or if we turn left, we go into Mandeville. If we turn left at the road ahead, we continue on the bypass and go to St. Elizabeth. That's the road you would take to continue on the main road. We turn left here, we go to the Mile Gully area. We turn left here, we go back on the Winston Jones Highway and head back towards Porus or Kingston. So we're turning left here and heading into the town of Mandeville. We're on New Green Road, heading into Mandeville. On the left, we just passed the JPS office in Mandeville. It's a new facility, a new office that was recently opened. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Remember to like, share and subscribe. Have a good day.